I hosed off I power washed my LS motor I've had sitting on the stand forever.
Yeah, dude, I saw
I
that.
gotta tow the Chevy to the shop so I can start working on it. And maybe that'll motivate me. But I still need
Nice.
a bunch of shit for that. That's
Yeah, it's a big undertaking doing the LS in it.
Yeah, but if I can get it done, like that thing's gonna be done to a point. Like if it's in the middle of winter and I get it done, I can still drive it
Yeah, fuck yeah,
because
dude.
it's gonna have a heater and
Yeah,
I'm
that's
trying to
sick.
put air conditioning in it too.
Nice, nice.
I thought about. I mean, you can convert them to electric windows and shit because they came with electric windows in the later model
Yeah,
ones.
you
Because
could. Fuck
technically, I
it.
have a later model front end
Oh, nice.
that I'm
What
putting
what
on it.
year is that one?
Uh, Mine's a 75,
75.
but I had to get a later front clip to put on
Right,
it.
because your frame was bent or something.
Well, just everything. It had all been all crashed up.
Damn.
So I just chopped off the whole front section of another van, of an RV,
That's sick, dude. That's
and took the
gnarly.
doors. But I gotta get working on it. But I want to try to. I'm gonna start doing the motor, and then I'm gonna wrangle getting the Dodge. I gotta take the Dodge out to Dave Sprinkles here in a week or two to do to build the interior